back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a video for my sample Saturday. So I am using this Browder product from Pur to create these brows. So if you want to see what I think of this product, make sure you keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so today's sample Saturday product is a Browder Perfecting Brow Powder from Pur. So this was actually a sample that my mother-in-law got and she's passed it on to me. So I'm going to try this out and see what I think of it. So it looks like this and it is in medium brown. So this is what it comes out like. I'm a bit nervous about this. All right, let's just go in and see what happens, I guess. So I'm just gonna grab a spoolie, just brush my eyebrows up. All right, let's see. I'm gonna wipe some of the product off. I don't want tons of it. Whoa, it's all falling on my desk. Holy moly, that is pigmented. So I'm not sure if this is exactly how you're meant to use the product. Didn't come with instructions, but so far it's looking right. I apologize if you can hear the girls in the background. We're about to head off to the vets and they're very excited to be getting in the car and going to see somebody. Although I think they think that we're going to the dog park and not the vets, so they may get a little bit upset when they realise that the dog park isn't going to happen until after the vets. Alright, so I've just popped the whole pile in. I'm just going to brush it through so it's not so full on. Actually worked really nicely. I wasn't expecting to like it. I will say that there is heaps of powder falling out on my desk from it, so I definitely highly recommend you do your eyebrows before you do the rest of your makeup, and probably not be dressed beforehand because I'm having to lean forward so it's not dropping on my shirt instead dropping on my table. It's very messy. But I really like it. Wow. Okay, so it's looking quite good. I am going to pop a gel in it because I am going out today and it is quite windy out there. So I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. gel and just pop that on top. It's not the best gel out there, but it's a gel and it does its job. And it's quite good for the price point, so just stick them in place because yeah, as I said, it's very windy out there, so I don't want my brows going everywhere. All right, and I'm just going to jump off camera and I'm going to finish my makeup and then I'll just come back quickly to show you guys what my brows look like. So far I really like the product. It really filled it in really easily actually. I do say that it is very messy though, so I didn't like that factor. Okay, so this is what my finished product is. I think the brows are looking really nice. I'm gonna do a check-in later throughout the day and let you guys know how my brows held up. So this is what they look like now that I am fully done and ready to go out for the day. So yeah, I will be back to check in with you guys this afternoon. Hi everyone, so I'm just doing a quick check-in for my sample Saturday. So it's almost 4 p.m. now, so I may look a little bit patchy and funny at the moment. I've just been and spent 3 hours helping my husband mark out his job. He is a bricklayer, so we just marked out the house, and he uses like a chalk line with oxide or something, and it got all over the bottom of my face and on the side. It's on the back of my hands everywhere, even though I was wearing gloves, all up my arms and everything. So yeah, my makeup isn't looking the best right now. I just had to quickly brush my hair, and I just popped a little bit of foundation back on my chin, and then just popped a little bit of lip gloss on. So my actual makeup isn't what we're testing today. We're testing the Browder from Pur. So the brows are looking pretty perfect in my opinion. This is what they're looking like. I think they're looking pretty amazing. It is very stormy out there today, very windy. And as I said, I just spent 3 hours doing a lot of physical work trying to help my husband. So yeah, I wasn't expecting to help him for that long and it be that intense, but my brows definitely came out looking perfect still. So I really enjoyed this product. I think I'm going to keep playing with it. My only con about it is that it is a messy product, but yeah, I really enjoyed this product, so I'm going to keep it in my stash and I'm going to keep playing with it. And I'm even considering purchasing it again when I run out, because yeah, I really enjoyed this product today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!